Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mountaintop Bob, and I came up on top of the hill this morning to shoot a little intro video for the new video that's going on YouTube today. The last video we shot was somewhat, I can't really say heartwarming, but it touched me in a place that made me put something on my YouTube channel I normally don't do. No More Stolen Sisters is a grassroots effort into coming up with solutions to the missing persons problem around the nations because of the issue with how law enforcement fits together, and how long it takes to get started solving the crime, and how short the lifespan is of a child that's been abducted. So that's being said, I enjoyed making that video, and to the unknown author out there, wow, what some beautiful work you did, and hopefully I was able to use your inspiration on the side of the train car there and put something together to help further this cause along. Alright, so the next video is dedicated to freedom, flying birds. I've had this camera for a short time. I got it late February, so I've only got like March, April, May, and June here. Is this June or July? June, I think. Anyway, yeah, June. So that's as long as I've had it, and one of the things that I like to do is shoot videos, or excuse me, photos and photography of flying birds, and so that kind of helps me figure out, you know, the camera and the settings and this and that. So there you have it. Some of them are in great focus, some are not. Some are a little grainy. It was the learning process, and there's a lot of it. There's 9 minutes of them, so enjoy that, and some nice music, and I'll see you back in the shack. In the meantime, enjoy the sunrise, and I'm gonna get behind the camera and recognize it as all the Pueblonians do, and I try to do it just about every morning. So we're looking to the east, sun's coming up, it's a new day on the nation. For those of you who's never heard wolves, that's wolves in the background.